Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. Now recently I launched my off YouTube club and you can join my club for £12 a year. That's £1 a month currently. I wanted to just spend a minute talking about the December giveaway gift bundle. These are all the products which either I get given or which I use on a regular basis. And I'm going to be giving them all away on a monthly basis whenever they come into me. So let's just have a look at what's going in December's draw. And I am still awaiting news on a couple of other things which have been partly committed to the draw. And if they come in, I will add them to the December draw. But for now, let me show you what we've got. And don't forget, instructions on how to join the club will be in the description box below this video, and many of you have already joined, so thank you so much for joining up. And this is what you might be winning in December. So we've got some pelleted chicken manure. Now if you win a prize and you don't want it, we will send you a voucher and roll the prize over to the next draw. So it might be that you don't want pelleted chicken manure, so you'll get a voucher instead if that's what you want. So we have pelleted chicken manure. That will be sent to you in December if you're a member and you come out of the draw. I have also here an all-weather garden furniture cover. You might not have any garden furniture to cover, so if you win that and you don't want it, we'll get in touch with you and you can have a voucher instead, and I'll roll that over to January's draw. I've got these LED plant lights. I use these when I take the plants in for the winter time, and they're great because they make sure that those plants get enough light and it's the right kind of light. So I have a set of LED plant lights. I've got some pink stuff, cleaning solution. I've demonstrated that in my kitchen. It's great for getting stains out of light coloured quartz or granite. I've also got some of these thorn-proof gauntlets. These are brilliant, these. I've tested these. I grabbed hold of a rose of the thorns and it didn't even touch them. A pair of those will be going out in the December giveaway gift bundle if you're a club member. And finally, for now, because things may well get added to this, I have two trail cameras. These have been given to us by Izeka, and I've done a review of them and they're brilliant. They sent me three. I'm keeping one in my garden to look at my hedgehogs, and there are another two. That's the one I'm keeping, and I've got two more to give away in the December giveaway gift bundle. So that's it for now if you become a member of my off YouTube club. Now you might be wondering, is it worth joining my off YouTube club? Well, several people already have, thank you. And if you want to know what else you get, I will outline it in the description box below this video, because it's not just about the giveaway gift bundle, although I can see this being an attractive part of the club as we go forwards. And don't forget the gift bundle will grow and get bigger and bigger as the club grows and gets bigger and bigger, because these will be all the things that companies want me to talk about. And over the last 4 years in my YouTube career, I've been sent many things to talk about. And now I am proactively seeking gifts for you, my club members. And I'm asking for companies to send me more than one so that I can keep one and demonstrate it, and I can give one away. Hope you found that interesting and exciting. I'm really quite excited. There's much more to the club than the giveaway gift bundle, but if you want to know what's included, have a look in the description box below this video. I'm looking forward to doing the draw on December the 1st and telling everyone about it on December the 5th. I'll see you soon for some more Mark's House and Garden UK club adventures. Bye for now.